we're going to be combining this function within itself, which sounds really weird. It's f of x. Now, if we have this open circle here, this is not multiplication, so we're not going to go f times x. This is f of x. So we're going to kind of plug it into itself. Sometimes you'll see it written as this, and these two mean the exact same thing. F of x. Well, anytime you're doing one of these, I always take whatever's listed second, whatever's listed last in this case, f of x. We're going to plug that in we're going to take that entire quantity and plug it in for x in the first one. And that sounds really weird. But I'm going to take this entire quantity, and then I'm going to plug that entire quantity in right here for x. So let's look at that just a little bit. I know that f of x here inside this parenthesis equals 2x plus 3. Okay, so we know that f of x equals 2x plus 3 is our original one. I'm going to take this quantity, 2x plus 3, plug that entire quantity right here for x. Okay, so we're just going to plug it right in for where x is. Notice I rewrote it, and it means the exact same thing. This is 2 times x. In this case, it's 2 times this quantity. This is the entire quantity here. I'm just going to take this total amount here and plug it right in there for x. Well, as I do that, I have to distribute this 2. That means it's 2 times 2x and 2 times 3. So I've got 4x plus 6 plus 3. I know that my 6 and my 3 I can combine. So that gives me 4x plus 9. And so it's really not too difficult, but you've got to get this understanding that if it's f of x, we're going to take the entire quantity and plug it in right here for this x. Okay, and that's kind of what we did here. I typically rewrite it like this. Then I take whatever the f of x is, and I plug that right in here for x. And I take a couple steps with it. It doesn't take long, but it's definitely worth it. But this will be your final answer, 4x plus 9.